Hey guys, going on back with some Marvel Collect. So I'm gonna claim the free stuff, and then I saw some like X-Men cards in the store, or I guess X Factor, I think it's called. But I think basically it's X-Men characters, which is pretty cool. So again, the free coins, free mystery box, Maestro, Hulk, Angel, Psylocke, Kingpin, and Bullseye. And I'm gonna spin the wheel, and 3 free spins. Crystal, number 2, is AIM. Looks like Minions. I wonder if that's where they got the idea of Minions from. So I think obviously Marvels is way before Minions. And Union Jack. So that's that. So let's look what's in the store. I think I have my mind set up on the X-Men cards, but first I want to do Rhino, the free collector's one. So I just got 2 left to complete the set, which is gonna come up soon. So luckily I didn't miss any at this point, and then you're gonna get a bonus for that. So back in the store, there are some new stuff I think that I might have missed. Like I know close-up cards is another one, and you only get one a day. So yeah, I skipped the ones that you do one a day because you're gonna end up using a lot of coins, and I personally don't have a lot of coins. Villains, I think, is another new one. That was when, no, that's been a while. So, but X Collection, I think, is the newest one. I always said that. Oh, are the newest ones down this way now? Let me just see something. Maybe the 27th. Because the new ones used to be down here at the end, but I think they might have put them in the front now, which I guess might be better. Or I'm thinking that. So, anyways, X Collection. Let's read it first. It says the mutants are back in X Collection 2022, including the first Gambit card in Marvel Collection history. The X Collection has it all. Dive in to start collecting super rare legacy motion stylized X-Men, as well as super rare original. Those who collect all the legacy red motion cards or purple will be awarded with Marvel Collect's very first Gambit card. So that's going to be a really good card to have if you can get it, though. The following X Collection cards are limited to the listed card count to 200. And then it says X-Men blue cards will sell out when all available prints have been sold. So this might be terrible because I might have missed some stuff already. So those are the rares. I'm gonna go through them really quickly. Obviously they look pretty amazing as always. The only thing I'm curious about is if anything's sold out yet. Those are gonna be really difficult to get. So the epic ones I expect are not going to be sold out too much yet. I just want to make sure nothing's sold out that I didn't miss out on yet. Um, so let's see. You get 1 guaranteed comment, so that's good. 1 in 5 rare. And then I think the super packs. So to get an epic card, you have to spend probably a lot of money. So like $60. It's a $60 card roughly because 1,000 coins for $4, 15 times 15, so that's like $60 for the epic card. But with that being said, let me just kind of start opening some of these. I think I'll do the 15. I mean that's pretty pricey. So I'll do 15 for this one because usually they're about 2,500. So Juggernaut, white, Black Bolt, blue, Primal, Dakin, Kazar, and Amadeus Cho. So that is one of the older common ones that you're guaranteed. So good, maybe I'll be able to collect or complete some sets. Oh, you know what? I was too late on that. I wanted to I'm trying to get a thumbnail, so that might be a little bit annoying, but I'm trying to do it for the thumbnail. Mystique, white, Quicksilver, and Magic is the first one there. Sandman and Amadeus Cho. So another common. That was a base purple. Number 3. Jubilee. Are Adam Warlock, Kitty Pryde, Hercules, and Deathlock. So that was a common that I had already. Jean Grey, that's pretty cool. So, I mean, this is what you're going to run into, just so you guys know. She-Hulk Blue, Scar, Beatrix the Leaper, and Spider-Girl. Is you're going to end up having a lot of duplicates. Dakin, and here's a first rare, is Jean or Phoenix. Believe. Balder, Nick Fury, Dormammu. Hobgoblin Black, Captain Marvel White, Domino White, Gamora Red, and Cyclops. Nova Green, Deathlock Green, Rogue, Beast, Kazar. Gorgon Green, Rocket White, Sharon Carter Green, Jean Grey, Miles Morales. Oh, that's a really nice one. Angela and Scarlet Witch. Oh, Angel. Angel and Scarlet Witch. Really nice, artistic. Lockjaw, Abomination, Doc Octopus, and probably another Angel. Is that the same person? Or that's Archangel, probably, yeah. I think. So we have a green and we have a black and white. So black and white is the rare. That was that one. So there were some commons in there, so I only have one there. Okay. Next pack. Silver Samurai. Another black and white. Pretty cool. Cyclops. Beast. Heimdall. Another black and white. Who was that? Let's see. Angel. Marvel Girl. Okay. Oh, so that was Angel. Oh, that's kind of cool. I get it now. Sentry Green. Really sweet. Here's a Beast. Domino. Colossus. Leader. Wolverine. Really nice. Artistic. Iron Man, Devil Dinosaur, Bullseye, and Jean Grey. Next. Falcon, Union Jack, the Sentinels, Shocker, and Mysterio. Professor X, Colossus, Destroyer, Lizard, and Wonder Man. Madrox, Scorpion, Man-Thing, Sabretooth, Jubilee. And I think that was pack 15. Absorbing Man, Hellcat, Jessica Jones, Magneto, and Another sweet looking Wolverine. Okay, so that was pack 16. I'm just going to do 20 then. 17. Dakin, Angel, Jean Grey, Cypher, Moon Knight. 18. Dagger, Gorgon. And this is what I'm afraid of too, is the other thing. You will start getting a lot of duplicates, probably. But here's one that makes up for it, I think. Iceman and Fin Fang Foom. So I got a 2-hit in that one. That kind of worked out great. 19. Cypher, Emma Frost, Angel, Silver Samurai, and Magic. And last one is gonna be number 20. And Fin Fang Foom, Daredevil, Mystique. Pretty sweet. Emma Frost, Phoenix. And that's it. That's number 20. I'm not going to go crazy. I do love X-Men. And I do have 2,000 coins. So I could do 2 packs. You know what? Let's see. No, that would be kind of stupid because then I would have just wasted all those. Because I'm probably going to get a ton of duplicates. So that probably wasn't smart. So yeah, I won't use it for this. Oh wait, never mind. I did that all wrong. My math was wrong anyway. So 300. Oh, so you would have gotten 4 packs for 1,000. But I feel like it's kind of too late to do that now. Oh, so then you would only have to spend like $16. Okay, $16 because you can get 4 packs for 1,000 diamonds. You need 15 packs to try and get an epic. Maybe I will do that because that's funny how they bump it up a little bit. But let's say you don't want just diamonds that you can. Is there anything in the store? Sometimes that's the thing too. You go to the store, for $5, and this is what, $4. Let me just see something real back. Whoops. Okay, so $4 for 1,000. Is there anything in the store? $250 diamonds for 99 cents. $300 for 99 cents. Foom bundle, 250. I mean, there's some really cheap stuff in here. 600 for 2. Yeah, pretty much all comes out to be the same. Yeah, I have a lot of these cards already, so that one's probably not worth doing. Anyways, I'm gonna leave it at that. I'll see you guys later.